Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles with in-depth coverage and detailed analysis. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Limousine Concept is a bold representation of futuristic luxury combined with timeless elegance. Designed for elite clientele and those who demand the absolute best in refinement and innovation, this concept vehicle redefines the boundaries of opulence. With its imposing presence, advanced technology, and handcrafted interiors, the Maybach Limousine Concept positions itself as a flagship for the future of high-end executive mobility. On the exterior, the 2026 Maybach Limousine Concept commands attention with a grand silhouette that stretches effortlessly, reflecting classic limousine proportions with a modern flair. A long, sweeping body, signature Maybach chrome accents, and an illuminated front grille deliver an unmistakable identity. The headlamps and taillights feature ultra-slim digital lighting elements, giving the vehicle a futuristic touch while maintaining brand heritage. The wheels are massive and intricately designed, enhancing the visual grandeur of the limousine. Powering this luxurious concept is an all-electric drivetrain, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's vision of sustainable high-performance mobility. Dual or quad electric motors are expected to deliver exceptional power in a smooth, whisper-quiet ride, along with advanced battery technology offering an impressive range of over 500 miles on a single charge. Adaptive air suspension and active noise cancellation systems ensure the ride is not just comfortable, but truly serene. Inside, the 2026 Maybach Limousine Concept delivers an unparalleled experience of luxury and comfort. The cabin is a showcase of artisanal craftsmanship with fine leather, real wood trims, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrated. Rear passengers enjoy executive-style seating with full recline, massage functions, individual entertainment systems, and a private lounge atmosphere. The partitioned chauffeur cabin emphasizes privacy, while voice-controlled smart functions cater to every passenger need. The digital cockpit includes a panoramic OLED display, AI-assisted infotainment, and biometric access features. Every element is designed to provide intuitive control and immersive entertainment. Safety is at the core with next-generation autonomous driving capabilities, predictive safety algorithms, and state-of-the-art sensor arrays that ensure the highest level of protection. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Limousine Concept is not just a vehicle, but a moving sanctuary. It reimagines what a limousine can be in the electric era, focusing on eco-friendly innovation without compromising the lavishness expected from the Maybach brand. From high-end business clients to global elites, this concept is tailored to serve those who expect nothing short of perfection in their travels. If you found this review informative and want to keep up with the latest concept cars, luxury innovations, and automotive technologies, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Support the channel so we can continue bringing you detailed insights into the world's most exciting vehicles. This is Auto Review Pro, your ultimate destination for expert car reviews, automotive features, and everything on wheels.